Good morning, gang. It's your girl Jack from Zoladon's Fresh Market. I want to come on and give y'all an update this morning on what's happening with the garden seeds and how they're sprouting. I want to say we like 6 weeks in, y'all. I don't know, somewhere around 6 weeks, 7 weeks in on this update. I have not been posting videos. I'm sorry. Like I said, I was going to do weekly, y'all, because I've been busy. I have a lot going on with trying to do the gardening and then also the custom crocs that I do, and then like cakes, beads. I got a lot going on, y'all. I'm a one-woman show, so bear with me as y'all give y'all updates on what's happening with the seeds in the garden. So let's go in the greenhouse and see what's up. Today is April the 13th. It's a Tuesday. So let's see what's happening today, April 13th, in the greenhouse. Go ahead and hit that like, share, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, y'all, so y'all know, always know when I post my videos. I'm trying to build my channel up, build my community up. Hopefully I can get some subscribers that I can actually see and communicate with. Most of the subscribers I have, I'm not gonna say they're not real people, but they are real people that dislike me. But yeah, so hopefully I can gain community and gain some subscribers that I can vibe with and, you know, grow with and grow my channel with. So let's go in the greenhouse, y'all. You can see I put stuff in plastic cups, y'all, and it's like 70 degrees, 70 some degrees, almost 80 degrees here in Michigan this week. And we got some growth, like gray little fuzzy stuff from all the moisture. So I can see we got a lot growing in here. We got some good seedling sprouts happening. So we'll have a good variety to take outside, y'all, of cucumbers. I got beans here. I got some zucchini here. I got a bunch of stuff that we'll be able to transfer outside into the garden and get going. I want to show y'all. Y'all see this hot pepper plant? This is from last year's garden. And this hot pepper plant, I brought it in the house, y'all, because it was still growing. At the end of the season, but y'all see this pepper plant is still doing good. I'll show y'all down at the root. This pepper plant is still doing good. It's got some new growth, some new leaves over here. So, and I got a pepper over there that I can pull off and eat. I'm gonna take it back outside for the summer. Over here, see we got some items. I did transfer these items into some bigger growing spaces and added some more soil. We got a seedling right there. Something has sprouted right there that's green. Most of these cups are still bare. I don't see anything happening. That one has something popped up here. Looks like a little Swiss chard in that cup. Something's right here growing in that cup. So we got some green happening over here on this side, y'all, in these cups. Trying to get in close so we can see something green right there. Got a green spot over there, green. So doing pretty good with our vegetables of what we got sprouting out. We're gonna come up here to the top. I added some soil to these spouts because they were getting a little bare. We do have some seeds that have sprouted out. When I added the soil, it kind of laid them down, so hopefully they'll pop back up, y'all. Over here, you can see we got a little green. Some green sprouting up. Got some green sprouting up in this container. I don't see any green happening over here in this container, y'all. It's super moist. So I'm gonna try to let the greenhouse get some air and probably add a little more soil on top to dry it up a little bit, but doing pretty good in the garden greenhouse. So just well, give y'all an update. Let's come out the greenhouse. I just wanted to come on y'all and give y'all a slight update of what's going on with the garden greenhouse and our vegetable planting. I am ready to go outside, y'all, with our garden. I have cleared a space to put our greenhouse. I'll show y'all right outside the window on the porch. So I cleared a space out there on the porch so that we can get our greenhouse outside and like maneuver my plants for the summer and open up my living room area and my patio area, because I usually close the patio area off for the winter. But we are open for the summer. Here, let's see. Can y'all see out there? Let's move the blind a little bit. Y'all can see all my pots are clean and we ready to go for the season. So yeah, just to update. I want to say it's like 6-7 weeks in, y'all. It's been a few weeks. I know it's been over a month since I planted the seeds for the garden harvest, the fruits and vegetables. Go ahead and hit that like button on this video, please. Comment down below. Are you planting a garden this year? Do you plant in the ground? Do you plant on the patio? And hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when I post. Again, it's your girl Jack from Zoladon's Fresh Market, and I'm going to catch y'all on the next video. Bye, and have a great week. Happy Taco Tuesday. What y'all cooking today? Comment.